Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be doing a super refreshing drink for you. So let's quickly go and see the recipe. 1 whole lemon, a cup of mint leaves, 1 cup water, black salt. In the blender, first we're going to add some water, 1 whole lime, little black salt, and lastly some ice. So our mint cooler is ready. It's super refreshing. It relieves indigestion. It also helps to improve irritable bowel system and keeps your gut a lot more stronger. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do videos on training, nutrition, Maahek's core Pilates, and amazing, awesome, super quick recipes. Also request you to please share the channel with as many friends and people as possible. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to see you next time.